My name is Desiree Craig, and this is March the 11th. And I am going to go over how I go from putting a picture, resizing it, and labeling it. So first, I go here to where I will find my exercise. And once I get my information of what I'm going to pull up at picture and label, then I go to my Gmail account and I go right over here to the top where there are Google Apps, and I click open the Google Apps. And when I click open the Google Apps, I'm able to go to Google Drive. When I open up Google Drive, it takes me here. And when I get here in Google Drive, as you can see, it says over here, My Drive. I'm going to go to New. And when I open up New, I'm going to go to More. And I'm going to go to Google Drawings. And now when I click and I go to Google Drawings, it will open up a blank, untitled drawing page in which I can file. I have many things I can do in the file drop-down menu. I have many things I can do in the edit menu. They're also in the view. I can put rulers. I can zoom in, insert. This is what I use. I go to insert, and this is where I get my image from. And so when I go to image, I'll upload an image from the computer that I've already saved. And once I do that, and I figure out which picture I'm going to insert, and here I have saved pictures, and I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to open. And I've already labeled this picture. So when I open this picture without the labels, I will go over here to the text box and I will add a text box. And that's where I will put the names of the things that I'm going to label right here in this text box. And then from there, I pick arrow. And once I name something, like the acidophil cell, I will draw an arrow to that cell, and there's my arrow. Now once I have labeled, and this has taken me 9 weeks to learn, but in order to resize my picture so that it doesn't look like it's in the background, if I go here and I make this smaller, when I insert the picture, then it will be very clear. The picture will be bigger. It will be much easier for the teacher to see where my arrows are going to and what they're connected to, and even seeing the picture of the cell. Now, once I'm done and I have titled, resized, I like to put a name here, right here in this blue box, so I can identify. Because sometimes when I save the original picture, it's not labeled. And I want to be able to tell the difference between my labeled picture and my unlabeled picture. So I'll put a name here, and then I'll go here to the file, because I now need to change this into a JPEG. So I go download as, and I come here to JPEG, and I save it. And once I save it, it's going to ask me open with. So I'm going to save it as a JPEG. I'm going to click OK, and there it is saved. Now for my computer, what I have to do in order to access this picture and insert it in my PDF for class, I have to actually right click and I have to save as. And once I right click and save as, then I can go to my document. And once I go to my document, I can go right here and I can either paste And this is how it would come out in my PDF document. It'll be nice and big, easy to read, and I hope that was pretty simple. And I do not have Microsoft Word, so I use OpenOffice. Thank you.